Bitcoin on CME is about to do something that it has not done since all of the major breakouts that we've seen throughout this cycle. In fact, even in the past as well, which is reclaim the median on the 3-week HPDR indicator for CME. That one's going to be closing later tonight in 14 hours, 27 minutes, and 50 seconds and counting. And assuming that it does close above the right price of $104,659 on CME, then we will have an official reclaim. And I'll just show you what the results of that have looked like in the past and what that likely means for the future. The last time that we saw Bitcoin reclaim this major median here was in October of 2024. Obviously, Bitcoin got a free ride up significantly higher to the 61.8 level, and then even a little bit higher than there, this one producing the next sort of 50% plus move effectively. Then we saw the same reclaim back in October of 2023. Bitcoin goes on for a similar 50% or plus rally, and this one happening very, very fast, getting all the way up to the 78.6 level a couple months later. And then, of course, coming off of the current cycle low, or what is the cycle low, I should say, Bitcoin did reclaim right here and had a quick shot up again to that 78.6 level very, 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 very fast. And we've seen it in prior cycles as well. Same thing over here, quick shot up. Same thing over here from 2020. And then we had a couple of iterations prior than that as well. Now, I don't necessarily know if I trust those earlier ones that much, but if history is anything to go off of, and assuming that Bitcoin again closes the day above, let's just call it 105,000 US dollars, then the next most relevant area of interest is going to be the 38.2 level here, which we've actually never even seen a top from this setup from before. And that would be at 138,000 US dollars or so, give or take. Do I expect Bitcoin to pull back a little bit from there? Yes, absolutely. Do I have a time frame for when this is going to happen? No, probably in the next month and a half, if it's going to happen at all. And then from there, we do have the next major areas of interest where we actually have seen these highs come in around at the 50% level, which is 158,000 US dollars, and the 61.8 level here, which is 166,000 bucks. Again, how long does this take? I don't know, but those would be the next major areas of interest if Bitcoin were to exceed those earlier targets.